Hello students, in our last lecture we have taken the information about the uh, setting of the novel. Now today we will see the character sketch introduced in chapter number 34, 35, 36 and 37. Actually we have seen the characters, major characters are here Phileas Fogg, Passepartout, Oda and Detective Fish. And in the case of minor characters, we have seen the members of the Reform Club, Flagon, Flantin and Sullivan were there, Guide was there, Captain was there, a Passy Guide was there, etc. So many characters are introduced here. The novel is as full of setting it is also full of characters also. And very mysterious characters has taken here. We will see the information about it. So here I am going to make a video on just major characters. In minor characters, with the help of story you can write it. So let's take our lecture today on major characters. First one character is the Phileas Fogg. You all of you know it is a main character. So write first sentence must be Mr. Phileas Fogg is a main character of the Around the World in 80 Days, written by Jules Verne. असं सेंटेन्स कन्स्ट्रक्शन करायचं आहे. You can write he is the hero or protagonist of the novel. He is mysteriously wealthy man. आणि त्यांचं कॅरेक्टर स्केच कसं केलेलं आहे, एक वेल्दी वेल बॅलन्स पर्सन म्हणून असं दाखवण्यात आलेलं आहे. इवन द इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे गिवन यू अबाउट हिम, की कोणते ड्रेस कोणत्या दिवशी घालायचे ते कॅलेंडरच्या डे प्रमाणे त्यांचं ठरलेलं होतं. सेम विथ हिज पेअर ऑफ शूज अँड बूट्स ऑल्सो. म्हणजे इतकं परफेक्ट सिस्टमॅटिक असं ही पर्सन होते. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इट इज ही वॉज लिव्हिंग अ सॉलिटरी लाईफ और ही वॉज अ व्हेरी अलोन पर्सन. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे कंप्लीट नॉवेलमध्ये आपण पाहिलेलं आहे की सुरुवातीला हाऊ ही वॉज व्हेरी अलोन अँड आफ्टरवर्ड्स इन हिज लाईफ ही गॉट अ गुड फ्रेंड अँड सर्वंट लाईक अ Passepartout अँड अ वाईफ, सिन्सियर वाईफ लाईक अ Oda. Next it is perfect his schedule, right? It's a very important thing about him that he was a very punctual one. He was spending his time in his room at the Savile Row Street, and next half time he was spending at the club in the that was the Reform Club of England, and his location also set, I mean just like the table, the food, the time, it was perfect, which was served to him in the club also. Now next write about his qualities. He was very confident, inspiring person आहे, understanding आहे and generous by nature. Next we can write he is also courageous. Courageous म्हणजे he was always spending his time in reading chronicles, newspapers, etc. So along with his wisdom, he is also courageous also. That's why he has accepted the challenge bet. He is a risk taking person, that he challenged that he will travel in 80 days around the world. And also he opposes evil things like a sati, that also we have seen. In many cases we can see that he is very faithful and noble and well balanced personality. This much you can write about the Miss Phileas Fogg. You can give, you can expand all these qualities with the help of events which has taken place in the story. Now the next character, important character, is the Oda. Oda is the main character of the Around the Novel in 80 Days by Jules Verne. She is a heroine or female character of this novel. She has shown orphan princess. ती एक ऑर्फन प्रिन्सेस असते अँड ॲट दी अर्ली एज शी हॅज मॅरिड विथ द राजा, वन राजा, दॅट रॉयल पर्सनॅलिटी शी हॅज मॅरिड विथ दी, and he died in his early age, and that's why she became the victim of that sati evil process. But she was rescued by Mr. Fogg and his crew, Passepartout, and as she was all alone, no one was there, she was orphan, she has decided to join their journey of traveling around the world in 80 days. Okay, so you can write about her appearance also, how she was looking. So the world Mr. Phileas Fogg has used for her that I got a charming woman. So that charming word also tells us about her beauty. About her nature also we can write that she is a very grateful. When Mr. Fogg was arrested, she tried a lot to rescue him, so that gratefulness is there. Her loving nature, that she accepted the proposal, marriage proposal of Mr. Fogg. She was very sincere by her nature. She was sweet in nature. She was non-materialistic. Means when Mr. Fogg told her that I'm unable to give you a comfort life, and you have right to go anywhere. At that time, she accepted his love. She was not thinking of the material, मीन्स वॉट एव्हर वेल्थ, काय तिनं प्रॉपर्टीचा विचार केला नाही, तर फक्त मिस्टर फॉग यांच्या प्रेमाचा विचार केला. अँड शी ॲक्सेप्टेड द प्रपोजल. ओके, ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू हॅव टू मेन्शन. अँड हर जनरस नेचर ऑल्सो वी कॅन सी हाऊ शी बिहेव्ड विथ पासपार्टआउट. दॅट ऑल दीज थिंग्स ऑल्सो टेल अस अबाउट हर nature. So with the help of many examples you can write this one for 2 marks. Now the next major character is the Passepartout. We all of you know Passepartout's meaning has given in the first chapter of the book. Actually that chapter has not introduced to you, but for a general knowledge you can write that also. As the novelist is a French novelist, he had given the meaning of Jean and Passepartout. Jean, we all of you know Jean and Aladdin, the story. Jean as a servant, he was a servant, but he was a very loyal to his master, and he always escaped his master from the troubles and problems. So that Jean word is perfect suitable. We can compare that Jean with this. Passepartout, we know the meaning of it. It is a French word, and its meaning is that to roam everywhere. And same it is that in the when this Passepartout joined the service of Mr. Fogg as a servant, he got the opportunity of traveling around the world in 80 days. So that is also, that word combination is a perfect one. Now the next it is, we all of you know he was the servant of Fogg, and he was also very happy to have such a master to him. याच्याबद्दल आणखीन सांगताना असंही सांगितलेलं आहे की ही हॅड ट्राईड अ लॉट ऑफ जॉब्स. आणि हा पासपार्टआउट हा दिसायला खूप हँडसम आणि स्ट्रॉंग असा होता, बिकॉज ही लाईक टू डू जिमनॅस्टिक. ही वॉज द टीचर ऑफ जिमनॅस्टिक इन हिज अर्लियर जॉब्स. ही हॅड मेड मेनी जॉब्स देअर, that also mentioned, and now he had joined here. He was a great companion in a journey. As a friend also he had shown his compassion towards Mr. Fogg, and honest, loyal, funny nature, funny wits, funny dialogues also we can see there. Grateful, he is very grateful by his nature, very endearing and turned to. This personality is shown as a very endearing. Means all the children loves to read Passepartout. This much he is very famous character, and we can see how his action has turned the whole story. So he had given a twist and turn to the story. That also you have to mention. Now the next major character is the detective Fix. You can write Mr. Fix also. We all of you know that he was a detective by profession. He was a very dutiful and sincere. He has taken the case of Bank of England, that robbery case. He wants to solve it, and he was suspicious about Mr. Fogg, that he is the culprit or the robber of that bank robbery. So he was following him, and he was always requesting his ministers to send the warrant, that it will be easy to catch him. So that incident's also shown here. We can see he was a stupid actually, because he has caught a wrong person, and its a punishment was has given a turn to the story. असं हे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट करणारं कॅरेक्टर दाखवलेलं आहे, आणि स्टुपिड असं दाखवलेलं आहे, कारण त्याच्या एका मिस्टेकमुळं द टाईम ऑफ फॉग हॅज चेंजेड. सगळं प्रॉपर्टी जाण्याची वेळ आली होती त्यांच्यावर. And when he got his mistake, that in the Edinburgh the real robbers were caught, at that time he shows his repentance. आणि we can see he was a stubborn officer also. Stubborn in case ka when the Oda and Passport were requesting him that their master is not a robber, at that time he was not ready to accept that. So all these things with the help of the stories, various events, you have to develop the characters. So students, I think there is no problem in writing character sketch of these characters. Will you write it? Okay, thank you.